So hey, welcome back to the channel. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. Helps the channel. It's February 5th. We've had a bunch of ice here in Texas. And anyway, so I'll get back with you as soon as we get there. Typical young guy. He's a pretty cool guy, man. So a lot of people always ask me, what are you using to film and to record the audio when you ride? So what I use is a Hero 10, but it don't have to be a Hero 10. Anyways, and I've got a chin mount, which I paid way too much for on Facebook. You can find them cheaper on eBay. Also too, I've got this it's basically a remote which starts the recording, and then you go back and you edit out all the dead spots. But there's another program that I use CapCut on my computer, or you can do it on your phone. You don't have to have a home computer. I've got an iMac that I use. Now the recording part is the tricky part. I had a purple Parrot and it worked for like a day and a half. So and I can't remember which microphone I got, but right now I'm riding with my shield closed on my helmet, and the audio usually sounds really good. I'll open the shield's open now. You tell me what the difference is. I'll put a link to all the stuff that I have, what I use. The chin mount comes with a adhesive grip on it, and it basically, when I started doing this last July, it was so hot outside that the camera wanted to fall off the helmet. So a buddy of mine told me about this. It's like a putty. It's called Sugru, and you form it up. It's like a wax kind of. You put your mount on there onto the helmet. You clean it with alcohol first. And it ain't going nowhere. But it's really what you should use if you're in any kind of warm climate, or you don't have to worry about losing your $500 camera. Also too, I've got a max mod lens on my camera, and I'm turning my head right. It's a very right and then very left now, but it keeps the horizon flat. A lot of people don't like that, but I do. Got that max lens on my camera. It's about an $80 purchase. So you got the camera. You can get the 10 now for probably I don't know, maybe even $3.99. You can buy them. And also, if you've never had a GoPro, you get a GoPro subscription with it, which it uploads all your video. Wow, that's a bad boy. There's that CBR 1000. Oh yeah. So you'll need to you'll get your mount, you'll put it on, you'll have to run the mic in your helmet, and you'll run the microphone out to, I've got it to the edge of my cheek pad. And also I've got a media mod around my camera, and it's basically what it is it allows you to plug a 3.5 millimeter jack, which is what's on the end of a microphone. It allows you to plug it into the camera. We'll end it here, and thanks for coming back. We'll see you on the next one. Hit that smash that like button. Make sure you're subscribed, and I'll post about my my rides coming up if you're in the Dallas area. Appreciate everybody watching. We'll see you on the next one.